Hi, so today we're going to do the flip up tutorial. I think this move has a couple of names. It's like the flip up, kip up, whatever you want to call it. It's quite a simple move. I think anybody can do it if they follow the progressions, but it might take a few tries to get it down. So there are two main stretches that you should really do before doing this move. One is rolling your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise just to loosen those up. And then the other one is just the bridge. Really want to work on the arch in your back is useful for this move. So I'll just demonstrate that. Just try and straighten your legs to really emphasize that arch. So to work on the power in the kick up, just going to break it down into a drill. Executing this muscle memory and motor skill just on its own will be very, very hard, I believe. It's a little bit like asking you to remember the name of my aunt if nobody has ever told you the name of my aunt. I mean, how are you going to do that, really? Okay, so to start building that muscle memory and work on the power, I'm just going to break it down into some drills. So the more times you do these kind of precursor drills, the more of a muscle memory you'll have there. So we'll start off, you do like 2 reps, you get more power, 3 reps, more power, 4 reps, more power. So just start off and it'll just roll into the position with your hands behind your back and just work on the kick. But first you'll just kick up into a bridge. And then as you keep drilling it, you'll start getting more and more power until you feel it, you can kick up enough to get into the full standing position. So just go like that. So that concludes my kip up tutorial. Go out and try it and let me know what you think of the tutorial.